I'm a huge fan, and I love watching you both dance. So we're gonna go ahead and get a sneak peek of what you guys are working on right now, because my two left feet don't belong on this dance floor.
6, 7, and sum da boom. Yes, but now give me more diagonal. You've got to keep that turn going. You should have 3, 4. Let's do it again. This is an everyday for the entire duration of Dancing with the Stars. Getting to this point in the competition, we have 2 dances every week now, and that's pretty much impossible for us to take a day off.
Tell me about how your body has changed since you started working on the show.
For me, I've definitely lost weight. Today I actually woke up, I looked in the mirror, I'm like, yes, it finally kicked in. I'm like, I look like a lot thinner. You know, I actually eat this food stuff called Fitness Kitchen, you know, just because we don't even have time to go out and get our food. We'll just be eating, dancing, you know, and just nonstop.
Tell me how he has changed from day one when you walk in, you find out who your partner is, to this slim, dedicated partner that you have now.
He was always definitely dedicated. I mean, his body has changed for sure. He's getting in amazing shape, he's dropping weight, he's getting fit. But I wouldn't say that he's changed. I think Nick is just Nick Carter. He is who he is.
Do you even have to go to the gym or work out because you're dancing 6 to 8 hours a day?
Well, it's interesting because we burn so many calories in the day when we dance. And yes, you know, that is a part of your workout regimen. But I was telling her, I'm like, I'm actually missing, you know, going to the gym and actually lifting weights.
Yeah, because you're not doing curls, you're plieing and, you know, jumping around.
and I tell you what, your butt is hurting, your calves are hurting, your ankles are sore. We're getting like cryotherapy all the time. We're getting massages all the time, taking Epsom salt baths. I mean, I feel like an NFL player in a season or something like that.